Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 10:15 p.m. At 7:09 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 1 nautical mile to this point. To Windsor Harbor to near McHenry, moving southeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind 10 knots. Source, public reports and surface observations. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Chris, Wilmette Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Michigan City, Indiana Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Hammond Marina, and Jackson Hart Harbor.